Have you ever looked at your designs and felt like something is missing? Like you love fashion, you enjoy creating, but when you look at your work, you feel it is not you. You open Instagram, you open Pinterest, and you see designers with such strong identities. One has a clear minimal style, another is bold and experimental, and there is yet another who creates beautiful couture. And when you look at your work, you feel it is all scattered. And then a thought starts building in your mind. You think that I'm not good enough, or maybe I don't have a style. Here's the truth no one tells in fashion education: you're not supposed to have a style yet. You're expecting yourself to be a finished designer while you're still in the exploration phase. Let me show you something. These are different directions you can try: structured silhouettes, fluid drapes, Indo Western outfits, or minimal basics. If you try everything randomly, you feel confused. But if you consider one direction at a time, you start noticing patterns, and these will help you develop your style. If you feel lost right now, I want you to understand this is not confusion, it is an exploration phase. And every designer you admire today has gone through that phase. If you want to actually find your style, follow this method. Choose one thing per week, not 10 things at once. Limit inspiration, pick only 2 to 3 references. Create without judging. Your work will feel imperfect, but that's okay. Reflect. Ask yourself the question: what did I enjoy creating, and not was this perfect? One day, after trying, experimenting, creating, you will realize there is a pattern in it, there is a voice in it, and there is you in it. If you're a fashion student trying to find your style, come in style, and I'll help you step by step in creating your first collection.